This is a tapas style restaurant where, you get small plates and you share, and I think that that's super fun.
Yeah, I liked getting a bunch of different things to try, and all the different things we got to try had a bunch of different things to try. So it was a bunch of different things and a bunch of different things.
Yeah, we tried like 9 things just by getting 3 things,
Yeah.
and that's great. Before we get started, I wanted to thank our subscribers and ask if you aren't subscribed, if you could please hit that subscribe button below. You hitting the like and subscribe button is just a few button clicks for you, but it helps us so much. Also, please check out our podcast called Neverland Navigation Radio, available anywhere you normally listen to podcasts. Hi, I'm Morgan.
And I'm Jake, and we're
Neverland Navigation Co.
Your personal guides to everything about this world and beyond. Morgan, where are we today?
We are at Spice Road in Morocco in the World Showcase in Epcot. That was everything, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never eaten here before, and I'm excited to try it out.
Yeah.
Let's eat. Hey, we ate the food. Just like we always do. It was good.
Yep.
What do we got?
We got the Spice Road table sampler.
What's that got?
That has 3 different things.
Like this.
And this.
And also that.
What else do we get?
We got other things, such as the non-spreads, which are spreads all along. And hummus and marinated olives and tartar. And this word. Sorry, Michael.
We also got the dessert platter, which was more like a dessert plate.
It's a cookie, it's a baklava, and it's a cake.
But small.
Tiny little baby.
Yeah, but it was fine because it was like everything we got felt like a sampler.
They called it a platter, but it was a plate.
Yeah. So this is a tapas style restaurant where you get small plates and you share, and I think that that's super fun.
Yeah, I liked getting a bunch of different things to try, and all the different things we got to try had a bunch of different things to try. So it was a bunch of different things and a bunch of different things.
Yeah, we tried like 9 things just by getting 3 things,
Yeah.
and that's great.
We got bang for our buck variety-wise.
I like to try a little bit of everything on the menu, so this really worked out.
What was your favorite thing you tried?
Ooh, I really loved, I know this is kind of basic, but I really loved the hummus.
Hey, that hummus was good.
And what was do you know the name of the sauce that was next to the hummus?
Chermoula or za'atar.
Okay, I liked that whole plate actually. Did you like that
I
plate?
did too. Right in the middle of the pile of hummus, there was a crater of oil that I was not wild about.
Yeah.
But other than that, the actual flavor and texture of the hummus, yummy.
Yeah, I mean that happens with hummus a lot, but yeah.
And also,
It's
in the middle of the plate are marinated olives, and they also come with like cute little
Gherkin type
pickles and little tiny cauliflower. All taste like olives. So if you're not an olive
He didn't
person,
like that, but I like it. But I like olives.
Yeah.
And I like little pickles.
So I let Morgan eat all of that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I dipped that in the hummus. It was good. Because I really wish we had a little bit more pita bread with that.
Yeah.
And maybe we could have asked. I don't know. We didn't, but that's okay because I was like dipping other random stuff.
We kind of ended up with a lot of food anyway.
What was your favorite?
My favorite was the, it's not a meatball, instead it's a lamb kefta, but it is in the format of a meatball, and then it's a ball of meat.
So that was so flavorful.
It was really well seasoned. It even had like lasting flavor that stayed in your mouth. It was really nice.
I loved that.
The texture was good too.
And that was served like on some sort of a yogurt sauce.
Yeah.
So the balance was really good. I'm not a big fan of a meatball to begin with because
It's a ball meat.
it's
Yeah.
but this was so flavorful that I wasn't put off by it.
No, that was good. I'd get it again. I also enjoyed the baklava. It's not the best baklava I've ever had, but it is.
Yeah.
I'm a sucker for baklava.
Yeah.
So, hey.
I didn't really like any of the desserts, but going back to the tapas that we got, I think all three of the things, there was the spiced chicken, the meatball that's not called a meatball, and then that other thing that was like phyllo dough pastry with cheese, that was
cheese
so
pie.
good.
Yeah, the cheese pie was really good.
Yeah.
It was light and flaky, but the cheese was, the consistency was like a crumb, but almost creamy.
Uh-huh.
It was really good.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that too. So for me, definitely the appetizer tapas type stuff is better than the dessert. I wouldn't actually get that dessert.
I was not a huge fan of the dessert. If you're not someone who needs a sweet dessert, it might be good for you, but there was not a lot. I mean, the baklava was sweet in a sweet, sticky way, but the other two, the cake was kind of spicy.
The cake had a weird spice to it. You don't mean spicy heat-wise, right?
No,
You mean
I
like
don't.
yeah.
It was spiced heavily.
It was an oddly, in my opinion, but that, I mean, you know, it
Right.
depends on what you like. And then that cookie was just not good.
brittle.
We kept trying to
Dust.
like cut it, and it would like crumble into nothing.
It was like a puff of smoke.
And the flavor
before,
wasn't really good.
Yeah, it was dry. It was like a dehydrated cookie.
Yeah,
It's like astronaut cookies.
right. Like it sucked all the moisture out of your mouth when you took a bite of it.
All right, but overall, what did you think about the ambiance?
Hold on. You got a drink.
Oh my god, how
You
did I
forgot
forget?
this drink.
Let me spill the tea. It's, I got a mint tea. It was fine.
Okay.
All right. No,
Wait,
I'm
hold
just
on.
kidding.
The tea tasted like chewing gum.
It was sweet tea from like one of those things with a spigot, like a big tub of sweet tea, and then they like dipped a pack of double bubble.
No,
in
not
there.
double. Spearmint.
Oh, a
gum,
spearmint,
like,
yeah.
Like extra.
It's not Hubba Bubba in there.
Mm-mm.
No, I didn't Hubba love it.
Yeah.
It was bad.
Right.
was-
I think they only like hers though, so it might be for some people.
It was a little too minty for me.
Okay. Anyway, about the ambiance.
Oh my god, my favorite part. The ambiance. What did you think?
Oh my gosh, this restaurant is gorgeous.
Yeah.
I would love to be here when the fireworks are going off.
Hey, me too.
Yeah.
I only watch Harmonious through restaurant windows now.
Yeah, we got
so.
spoiled after getting to see Harmonious at Hacienda San Angel, and now we're trying to find all the best restaurants to watch Harmonious from.
Adding this one to the list.
Yeah.
For sure. Good
Yeah.
views of the fireworks for sure.
The windows in here are giant.
Big
and
old
they're-
windows.
Yeah, they're right on the water, so it's gorgeous. Half the seating is outside and half the seating is inside. And the outside seating looks like it would be lovely at night on like a cooler night because they've got like those string lights going over everything. But the inside has a nice air conditioning, so
America, look at me sweat.
yeah,
Right
today
now.
is really hot.
It's hot. We got out there and it was covered and we sat down and I thought, I can't do it.
Yeah.
I felt very bad for inconveniencing our server and asking if we could move inside. But I was like, I can't eat a meal out here. Like, I'm dying.
And the inside was almost empty. Like,
Yeah.
the thing about this restaurant is I've been here twice, and both times it was almost empty. So this is kind of a hidden gem.
I would agree. I would say that maybe a lot of people don't know about this, but it is a really nice, like nicely themed and a good variety of food.
Right.
And also, they've got water, so if you just hop in and you go around the corner and you say to the hostess or to the attendant there, may I please have a glass of water? They've got a little cup of water and a water spigot for you. So hey, if you ever need to...
Yeah, very convenient. I would say this is the most convenient hidden spot to grab water in
Absolutely.
World
I'm about to
Showcase.
go get one. Another one.
Yeah,
it's
because
nice.
instead of having to wait in line at a quick serve or whatever to ask for water, this one you just kind of walk up.
So, ambiance, on a scale of 1 pack of spearmint gum to 5, what would you rate the ambiance?
I would say 5, except for because Disney has set the bar so high, maybe I'll say 4.
Yeah, I would agree with 4 packs of
It's
gum.
not your best as far as ambiance goes, but yeah, so...
And now, what about the value? How much should we spend on things?
Okay, so
like
each
$10
tapas
a small
thing is
plate.
like $10, $12.
The dessert was too.
Yeah, the dessert was $9.
Right.
Which, since I didn't like it, I guess I wouldn't call that a good value. But if you liked it, I think the value here would get like a 5 for me.
Yeah, I think you get a lot of variety for a reasonable amount of money.
Yeah, right. Because what we had 2 tapas plus the dessert for 3 people that weren't that hungry, but still, I mean, we walked away feeling satisfied.
Right.
Those 3 things were $30. I'm not adding in the teas because teas cost more. But so those 3 things were $30. They did have an annual pass holder discount.
Yeah, good value. So, what do we think about the overall quality of the food?
Yeah, 4.5.
I'm gonna take it down to 4 because of the dessert.
Oh, that's too bad.
There was nothing on the plate. That there was nothing on there that really screamed, "Wow, I would get this again."
Right, which is it's too bad because even the last time I came here a few months ago, and everything then was fantastic too.
Right.
So it is super high quality food. So that's why I would go 4.5. But I understand the 4 too because the tea also. But
4 packs a gum.
Compared to the hamburger hot dog, this is worlds better.
Yeah, that's a 1. That's a little more.
Yeah.
Turns it back.
Theme park food
On the other end of that, it's a World Showcase, so it has a lot of table service competition.
That's true. True. Yeah, and it is table service, but it's funny because I don't really think of it as table service, like in terms of price, Disney World.
And convenience.
And convenience.
You walk right in, you get sat. We did the walk-up list. We didn't even have a reservation.
We didn't have a reservation. Anybody could definitely be getting the walk-up list right now. And it's not like the park is empty. The wait times for these rides are like 70 minutes for everything right now.
I will be popping in here again. It really is a good description as the hidden gem of the World Showcase.
I think so too. I think it's the hidden gem of the World Showcase.
Good quality food, good service, convenient, air-conditioned option.
Yeah, the service was great too.
And water.
Even when you walk up to the host stand, there's like 3 people there to greet you in a super, like, lovely, excited way.
Yeah. So, Spice Road Table gets a recommendation from us any old time.
Yeah.
If you want to see us ride rides and walk around the World Showcase and eat
more food,
then what should they do?
They should subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out at neverlandnavigation.co so you can see our blogs and our social media and everything.
Yeah, we're on Instagram
and
Facebook and Twitter. It's all at Neverland Navco. Yeah. So we can't wait to see you guys next time, and let us know in the comments, where do you eat in the World Showcase? Where should we try next? Yeah. We'll see you next time, and thanks for tuning in.
Do you know the name of the sauce that was next to the hummus?
Why, that was either... I wasn't a... Oh, sorry. Touch the microphone. You good, or is it going to be nonsense? That's really good.
So delicious.
This actually, it's so good.
What kind are you going to use now?
I can't. It's too good.
Yeah. I love it.